Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, My Crypto Teacher. My name is Ida and I am your crypto teacher. Guys, today this is unfortunate information that I'm going to be bringing you all, but it is critical that you understand what you're investing in. Yes, the Safemoon token is going to be involved in a class action lawsuit. Little Yachty, Nick Carter, Soulja Boy, Jake Paul, they are some of the people that have been named in this class action lawsuit. So I'm going to go ahead and give you all some key points from this particular lawsuit, and then I'll also stick around until the end because I'll tell you if you are a owner or you purchase the Safemoon token, I'll share with you on how you may want to become involved in that particular lawsuit if you have lost money. So hang tight. I bring you all videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Make sure that you have downloaded the YouTube app so that you can also turn on your notifications so you can get all of my new content when I bring it to you all. So let's go ahead and let me just go through some of this information for you. Okay, so first, Jake Paul, Nick Carter, Soulja Boy, Lil Yachty are facing pump and dump class action over Safemoon tokens. A new proposed class action outlines an alleged scheme in which a number of celebrities were recruited to misleadingly promote and sell Safemoon tokens to unsuspecting cryptocurrency investors, while several individuals behind the scenes turned a profit. If you all follow my channel, that's why I tell you all, you've got to do your own research. You've got to make sure that you are following credible people like me so that if you do want to buy a token that's going to go to the moon, safely go to the moon, no pun intended, then you'll know which projects to do. All right, let's keep going over this lawsuit. The defendants in the 60-page lawsuit, the defendants are Jake Paul, Nick Carter, Soulja Boy, Lil Yachty, and YouTuber Ben Phillips, who the complaint alleges played key roles in pumping up the Safemoon cryptocurrency token on social media and thus inflating its value. They intentionally pumped up this token because they got in cheap and early, so that you could then turn around and buy it, so that they can then cash out, which is what they did. At least that's what the lawsuit alleges. The lawsuit alleges that in collaboration with these celebrity partners, the other defendants, Safemoon LLC and its subsidiaries, Safemoon founder and CEO Braden John Caroni, and other top Safemoon execs, marketed the token while failing to disclose their control over both the company and a significant amount of Safemoon digital assets available for public trading. Let's keep going. The defendant's intention behind the celebrity-driven marketing of Safemoon token was to eventually sell their holdings for a profit when numbers were high. They became high when you all bought in. So it was an intentional celebrity-driven marketing campaign. That's what the lawsuit alleges. The defendants pump and dump, guys, means they get it to pump up high because they get celebrities or whoever else to sign on to that token, and then they dump it because they got in really cheap. The pump and dump strategy for the Safemoon token was indeed a success. Yeah, success for who? Not a success for the people who lost a ton of money. It was a success for the celebrities and the founders, right? The people at the top, which is not what crypto is all about. The misleading promotions and celebrity endorsements artificially increased interest in and trading volume for the asset. I talked about volume, all-time high. Look at my videos on how to select the right cryptocurrency, okay? And you can avoid this kind of stuff. Investors have suffered economic harm. They sure have, because guess what? The people who invested in this token were the people who could least likely probably afford to lose money. Lawsuit alleges the rug was slowly pulled out from under Safemoon investors. I did a video, how not to get crypto scammed, and I talk about rug pulls, so check out that video. Outlined in the complaint is an alleged multi-layered scheme that caused the price of Safemoon token to rise astronomically through 2021, only to bottom out in December 31st. Amid the departures, now the people who got rich, the founders have jumped ship. Yes, they've jumped the rocket because they've already cashed out. Amid the departures of a number of executives under less than clear circumstances and the company's failure to launch a much touted wallet for its cryptocurrency. So they were making promises they just didn't keep. They were saying that they were going to launch this wallet. Guess what? They didn't do it. You've got to be careful of the projects. That's why you do your own research. I talk about it all the time. Please like, click, and subscribe this video. Make sure you're subscribing so you can know what's going on. Okay, let's keep going. To the moon and back. Yeah, it went to the moon. They cashed up, and when it cashed out and when it came back, you all were left holding the bag. Yeah, to the moon and back. Okay. Upon Safemoon's launch, company execs actively recruited and retained celebrities. They actively recruited and retained them. It was a plan. Such as Paul, Carter, Soulja Boy, Lil Yachty, and Phillips to promote the asset primarily through Twitter, Reddit, and YouTube, the case relays. In exchange for the support from the celebrities, the celebrity defendants received Safemoon tokens and or other considerations as compensation, the suit alleges. Yeah, so they gave these YouTubers and celebrities, they gave them tokens that they knew would make them rich, right? Less than a month after the token's creation, Safemoon announced on April 3rd, 2021, that nearly 4 trillion tokens were burnt and gone, with related communications stressing that the value of the asset was at an all-time high and that it would be going to the moon imminently. See, they start making promises. We're going to come on with a wallet. We're going to burn some tokens. Some of you all may not know what that means, but that means you're just going to get rid of tokens to decrease the supply so that the price artificially increases. That's just how it happens. And those were promises that they made and they didn't keep. So basically, ultimately, the promotional efforts by the company and Way, Whitriol, and Carter caused a staggering 1,691% increase in trading volume. So a lot of people jumped in. The volume went way up between April 16th and April 22nd of 2021. And then the Safemoon wallet fails to launch. So they made a promise, didn't keep it. The wallet never launched. The price went from a high. They said, oh, the wallet is on the way. The wallet is coming. It went from a high to, you see the number, to a low. It decreased by 61%, right? Because they got on to him. The day after Wyatt's resignation, he was one of the founders, Haynes Davies announced on Twitter that he would be stepping down as Safemoon's COO, the Chief Operating Officer. Of course, he already cashed out and made out like a bandit. Speculatively, as a result of the company's failure to launch its wallet on schedule. Now, I'm going to talk to you all about how you can get in on this case. I own some Safemoon tokens. Can I be added to the case? Well, basically, I'm going to include this link to the article so you can read through it. If you feel like damage was done to you as a Safemoon holder, then you want to make sure that you do get in on the class action lawsuit. Also, I'm going to share with you all this. Here's the deal, guys. There is no get rich scheme. I talked to you all about utility in your project. There's over 17,000 digital assets that you can safely invest in. Well, lots of them, thousands and thousands. There is no reason, and I understand we all want money and we want it now, but there's no reason for you to be investing in projects that don't have utility. As this market matures, you should be doing your homework. I bring you all videos at least 3 times per week. You don't have to be glued to YouTube. Live your life. You should be investing in this technology, the future of technology. You should not be trading. If you're investing in the future of this technology, you are going to come out on the other end very, very profitable and well. I have a lot of videos that explain to you how to select the correct crypto to invest in. I've given you a formula for how to become a crypto millionaire. This is legitimate. My stuff is legitimate. So there's no reason for you all to try to jump on these rocket ships and think you're going to get something for nothing, because you're not. This is a very unfortunate situation, and a lot of people have been damaged by this so-called Safemoon. And they had the audacity to name this project Safemoon because their intent was it will go to the moon, go way up safely. Well, guess what? It did not. So Safemoon was definitely not a safe investment, no pun intended. So go ahead, if you were impacted, click on the link. Stay up to date with this particular class action lawsuit so that you need to get in if you were harmed or damaged or you lost money. It is an unfortunate situation. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video because sharing is caring. My name is Ida, and that's all I have. Take care.